Welcome to Upcoming Auto Reviews. Welcome back to Upcoming Auto Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest in future-forward vehicles. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Tesla Model Y, and trust us, this update brings more than just a facelift. Tesla's most popular compact SUV is getting smarter, sleeker, and more efficient than ever. Design and exterior updates. The 2025 Model Y sees a subtle yet sharp evolution in design. Tesla has refined the front fascia with a more aerodynamic profile, cleaner lines, and adaptive LED headlights. The refreshed rear now sports a minimalist look, giving it a more premium presence. New color options, including a striking lunar silver and obsidian green, add to its appeal. Interior and tech. Inside, Tesla introduces an upgraded interior with softer materials, improved ambient lighting, and a redesigned center console. The controversial stalkless steering design from the Model 3 Highland carries over here. A new 17-speaker premium sound system, dual wireless chargers, and a second-row touch control screen bring luxury and functionality into perfect harmony. Performance and range. Performance-wise, Tesla offers improved range thanks to more efficient motors and battery optimization. The long-range variant now hits an estimated 350+ miles. Acceleration remains impressive, with 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds for the dual-motor version. Enhanced ride quality and quieter cabins make this the smoothest Model Y experience yet. Autopilot and safety. Tesla's full self-driving, FSD, gets a boost with V12 software, offering better lane changes, roundabout handling, and real-time decision-making. Advanced safety systems and 5-star crash ratings continue to make the Model Y a family favorite. Final thoughts. The 2025 Tesla Model Y isn't just a refresh, it's a refined leap forward. With its blend of innovation, comfort, and efficiency, Tesla proves once again why it leads the EV race. Subscribe to Upcoming Auto Reviews for more deep dives into the future of driving.